Here's a clear picture of what's been happening with Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, behind the scenes, the kind of movements that matter most to serious investors. Over the past weeks and months, both Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen significant outflows from centralized exchanges, meaning large amounts of coins are being moved off trading platforms into cold storage or institutional custody. This reduces liquidity on exchanges and typically signals long-term holding rather than short-term selling. For Bitcoin specifically, major entities like Matrixport recently withdrew 1,000 BTC, roughly $93 million worth, from Binance, a move interpreted by analysts as strategic accumulation and secure custody positioning, not routine trading activity. CryptoRank. Meanwhile, on-chain data shows long-term Bitcoin holders in Wales increasing their positions, with major wallets actively accumulating after recent market corrections. 24/7 Wall Street. Institutional flows are also reshaping BTC demand. Bitcoin spot ETFs have recorded sustained inflows, helping anchor institutional participation and shifting market structure toward regulated exposure. CryptoSlate. On the Ethereum side, the story is similar but even more pronounced. ETH exchange balances recently dropped to their lowest levels in nearly a decade, with exchange reserves falling to about 14.8 million ETH, the lowest since 2016. BitGet. This decline reflects broad institutional accumulation and staking activity, with corporate treasuries, funds, and spot ETFs collectively holding more than 10% of the total ETH supply. Yahoo Finance. Adding to this, Ethereum has seen net outflows exceeding $978 million over the last week of trading, indicating that investors are withdrawing ETH from exchanges faster than they are depositing it, a classic sign of accumulation and bearish supply compression. CryptoRank. Large investors are also participating via OTC channels. Whale and institutional buys have been reported in multiple markets, often ahead of wider price shifts. BitGet. Taken together, this reduction in exchange supply for both BTC and ETH, paired with strong accumulation by institutions and long-term holders, suggests a tightening market where real liquidity for selling is declining, potentially setting the stage for supply-driven price support or future upside if demand persists. That's the big picture behind the biggest crypto assets right now. Capital leaving exchanges, institutions stacking BTC and ETH, and hodlers locking in for the long term.